What's up, my Sin City crew? Back again with another video. Today, you guys, I'm eating some salsarita. Salsarita. I'm eating a shrimp quesadilla, y'all. Can y'all see it? I have my guacamole. I have my chipotle ranch dressing. My chips, which I won't be eating. And the shrimps, black beans, olives, onion, tomatoes, rice, all kinds of stuff on here, y'all. And I will be eating with my hand. Oh, let me say my grace. I already washed my hands and everything. Father, thank you for the meal I'm about to receive. I ask you through your loving son's name, Jesus Christ. Amen. Amen, amen. Oh, it's messy, y'all. This is messy. Mm. It's so good. How is everybody doing today? Oh, y'all see some food fall in my mouth? It's okay. Sitting in my room eating too, y'all. Y'all know this is my favorite place to eat. So messy, but so good. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Have anybody ate a shrimp quesadilla from Salsarita? If not, you should try it. I got me a Sprite as well. It's just messy though. That's the only thing. It's real messy. So anyway, I told everybody about my job, right? So I go tomorrow. Then take my drug test. So if everything go right with that, and I know it will, I'll be starting to work, y'all. What a blessing, huh? I can honestly say that. It's so good you have to lick your fingers. Sure do. This guacamole is good. It's messy. I should have got me a fork to eat with. Mm. I ain't gonna worry about it. I can eat messy. I don't like all this stuff all over my hands and stuff, but by being so good, I guess I can make an exception. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. I think I am gonna go ahead and give me a fork. I was thought over here gave me one. I'll be right back, y'all. Mix his head. Okay, I'm back, y'all. It's so messy. You gotta look how messy it is. So you gotta eat it with a fork. Mm. I can't eat with my hand when it's really messy, y'all. Mm. 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 It's good. Mm. Mm. How everybody day going so far? So far, so good, huh? Yeah, can't complain, bleh. Mm. 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 I'm showing y'all how greedy I really am, huh? I can eat now. My thing is, I can eat. I try not to overeat, but I think I eat the wrong food. You hear me? Especially a lot of sweets. I like sweets. And that's not good for you at all. So, I'm hoping that, you know, I've been sitting around gaining weight. This job's gonna help me move around, you know, so. That's a good thing. I won't be sitting at home all the time. Keeping active helps, you know, keep this weight down. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's really good, but it's messy as heck. It's a lot. I think this was like, just the quesadilla by itself was like $9.70 something. The combo was like 15 something altogether. And then I got an extra guacamole sauce, so it was like 17. Not bad. You get your money's worth. Mm-hmm. That's one thing. You get your money's worth. It's just messy. So like I was saying earlier, I want to try to start doing new things with my channel. You know. I ain't gonna tell you I'm gonna start doing, but it's gonna be some new things. You know. That's for sure. Something interesting. More interesting anyway. Yep. So stay tuned. Keep watching. Even though I be working, I'm still gonna do, you know, my YouTube and try to post every day, if not every other day. That's for sure. I gotta do that. This Sprite is so good. So good. This is really good, y'all. Really good. Yep. So, y'all see what I'm talking about in the end. I got a big thing that I have to accomplish this 2022 year. I got to do it, y'all. It's a must. Ain't no sense of holding back. Go ahead and unleash. Do what I gotta do. And that's what I'm gonna do. And that's for sure. Yep. That's what I'm gonna do, y'all. Real good. I know Walt was talking about going to malls. I said, you know what? I thought about that too. But I was closer to Salsarita, and I just went on and went there. And I'm glad I did. Because it's so good. That could have kept those chips on those. But anyway, y'all, I'm not gonna be on here too much longer. Just need to come and do another video with y'all. I'll be updating y'all on everything. So, just stay home. Keep watching. It's gonna get greater later. You can believe that. Until then, I will see you guys on the next video.